Hey, hi, my name is Mansi and I'm back again. Today I'm going to talk about 5 financial mistakes people make in their 20s. Yes, first is people believe that if their salary grows, so is their wealth going to grow. But that's not the case. Salary might stop, expenses would increase. But with wealth, in order to build it, you have to invest consistently over a period of time, build your portfolio, and only then your wealth is increased. So it is not at all proportionate to your salary, that if salary increase, wealth is also going to increase. Second mistake people generally make is they delay investing, believing that I'll start late and I'll start with huge amounts when I start earning a handsome paycheck. But that's not the case, because when you do this, when you delay your investments, you are not able to make the most of the compounding. Yes, compounding is said to be the eighth wonder of the world. So, when you start small, you invest consistently over a period of time, you end up making more compared to a person who starts investing in his late 30s or 40s with huge investments. Trust me, power of compounding is at another level. Third mistake people do is they do not focus on building an emergency fund. Yes, we all saw regarding the global job loss, pandemic, the situations of demonetization, and sometimes not just for ourselves, we need emergency fund for our loved ones also. So do focus on it. And also I tell you one more thing, the biggest financial stress is when you need money and you don't get it. Yes. Fourth mistake people generally do is they use credit card as their extra income. It is not an extra income. It is a debt. It is a loan. And after a certain period of time, if you do not repay it, interest component is levied on it, I tell you. And that is more of a bigger trap, and it is always very difficult for people to get out of the interest component and pay that interest on their credit card cycles. So do not fall into that trap. Use it when you actually need it. Otherwise, avoid using credit cards. Yes, credit cards should only give you rewards, not regrets. Another mistake people generally do is they do not look into insurances when they are young enough, because they believe it's too soon. I'm just in my 20s. What's the point of taking an insurance? I mean, it's being too pessimistic. But that's not the case. When you insure yourself earlier, you pay less premium. Second, you get good top ups later on. Third is it is a protection, not an investment. And the biggest point is, I know it's not going to make you rich, but at the time of the need, it is not going to make you poor either. Yes. So, what are your thoughts on it? Let me know in the comment section. You want me to make a video on any financial topic? Let me know. I will look forward to it. Till then, take care.